What's going on? So today I just wanted to share the paint palette that I've been making over the past couple of weeks, and these paint palettes are made from vinyl records from the record store. A lot of times when people pass away, they have a ton of records that they just give away to the record store, and sometimes they're scratched or they can't be played and the record store just throws them out. So usually I get them before they throw them out and I just make art out of it. And this time I made a little paint palette, because usually I use this to sort of just paint on, but I never really cut it out into this shape, but this time I did. So I went to the record store, got a ton, basically came back to the studio, unsleeved them, threw the sleeve to the side, and basically just started cutting them up on my laser cutter, the Glowforge laser cutter. It's really simple to do a design like this. It's just two little sort of vector shapes and everything, throwing it into that program, loading it up to the laser cutter, and then basically cutting, and then you have yourself a little paint palette. So I just wanted to share exactly what I was doing with all these records I had in my studio space. I've just been sort of making these. I'm going to do a limited edition, mainly because I think they said when I was posting up some stuff that it was toxic to sort of cut the wax on it, so I'm not going to do too much and sort of damage the machine. But I'm going to do a limited run of about 50. But these are really cool. I use it to do this painting right here of Marvin Gaye and a couple other pieces. I'm practicing oil paint, so all this is like sort of oil paints, and then basically just using it to just have fun with, and upcycling, making sure I can use stuff slated for the trash for other stuff before it gets discarded. So that's basically what I've been doing. So I just wanted to share that. Just wanted to sort of share exactly, like I said, what I was doing in the studio and what I was doing with all these vinyl records, because I know a lot of people are super stoked about what they were seeing me paint on in some of my videos. So that's the idea behind my paint palettes right there. So I'll see you guys next time, and peace.